Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term IFG. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, IFG is an acronym that stands for I F in God, used to express supreme confidence or capability. People use it when they want to show they are the best at something or feeling unbeatable. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. IFG first showed up in the early 2010s online communities as a bold internet slang acronym. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and gamers. Now let's check out how to use IFG in a sentence. Correct example 1. She told everyone she was the IFG of the project after finishing early and perfectly. Correct example 2. I just crushed that level. I'm definitely the IFG here. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said IFG at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using IFG right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. IFG means I fing God, used to express supreme confidence or capability. It started in the early 2010s online, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in gaming chats. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with IFG in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.